This is CAT S75, and today I would like to show how you can change the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if you will launch settings, then go for the display category and expand the available screen timeout values, we'll see that the highest we can go using the default means or the default settings of the system are 30 minutes. Thus, if you would like to go any higher than that and well set the screen timeout value to never even, we will need to get the help from the free third-party app called Caffeine. So launch the Play Store on your device, find the Caffeine app and download it, which does not take a lot of time, usually a few seconds, and you're done. Once the app is ready, you gotta simply go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value, and as long as you will not close the Caffeine app, so make sure it stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically or will not turn itself automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.